Hello everyone. So in this video, we will discuss about what are decorators. Okay. So a decorator is a function which modifies the another function. That is the whole purpose of the decorator. Okay. So a decorator is a function which is used to modify the another function. Okay. So a decorator is a function which is used to modify the another function. Okay. Or we can write here a decorator function is a function that accepts a function as a parameter and returns a output, okay, as a function. Okay, so we use at the rate function name, function underscore name, just a name of a function to specify a decorator, okay, to be applied on another function. Okay, so as I said that decorator are the functions which is used to modify the another function. Okay, so basically we use decorator with the help of at the rate and name of a function where you want to apply, means where you want to which function you want to modify. For example, suppose there is a function def fun. Okay, so fun is a function here. Okay, and which returns 10 as a value. Okay, so the purpose of this function is to return 10 as a value. Now I want to modify this function. I want to modify this function. I want to modify 10, like I want this function to return 15 instead of 10. Okay. So here I want to modify this number 10 to 50. Okay, so that this function return 50. Now modification doesn't mean that you are modifying from here 5. No. Modifying means you are modifying this function without touching this function. Okay, like you have to modify this function without touching this function. So we will modify this function, like we add 5 in this function with the help of another function. That is the whole concept of the decorator. Okay, suppose, and we use a decorator with the help of at the rate decor. Okay, like name of a function, whatever is the name of your function, we have to put it here. Okay, so this is the whole concept of the decorator. So decorators is a function which is used to modify the another function. Okay, and we use at the rate name of a function to specify a decorator, and we have to specify where we want to modify the function. Okay, that is this function I want to modify. So on so I will write decor here in like at top of this function. So this function becomes like this number becomes 15 instead of 10. Okay, so in the next video we will see the example of this.